would you like to know more how and where we need to start learning population genetics, especially from Opisthochis viverrini or OV? So first things first, we need to determine the objective of our study. For example, in my case, back then I remember I learned about the population genetics of OV, the carcinogenic liver in an endemic in Thailand. So my objective was to observe the population genetics in the infective stage, which is metacercaria. Additionally, we would also like to understand how this different population of OV circulate in the field. Okay, from that we know, right, and we can determine as well what kind of sample that we will use. Just for your information, we know very well that every organism, including parasite, always has a life cycle too. In the case of OV, it has several stages to complete its life cycle. So yeah, for your better understanding, I would like to recommend you to see my brief explanation about Opisthochis viverrini on my website, and the link will be provided below. So briefly, let me explain to you about the life cycle of Opisthochis viverrini or OV. Here, the slide, as we can see here, it has egg stage. The egg stage will be released from the definitive or reservoir host, such as dogs and cats as a reservoir host, or maybe human as a definitive host. Then the first intermediate host, which is Bithynia snail, will eat the egg. Inside the Bithynia snail, the egg will develop into several stages as well. From egg will hatch into Menocydium into sporocyst, and then sporocyst into redia, finally cercaria. The cercaria will be released into the freshwater body. Then it will penetrate into the second intermediate host, which is the fish or freshwater fish. Okay, inside the fish, cercaria will penetrate under the muscle or maybe the fins, in the gill of the fish, and it will mature into the metacercaria stage, which is the infective stage of Opisthochis viverrini. Okay, yeah. So that is why we collected the metacercaria stage, because our objective was to observe the population genetic of OV in the metacercaria stage. Okay. In my study, because we use metacercaria stage, so the host that we collected was fish, right, as you can see in the previous explanation. So yeah, the fish is the first intermediate host of OV, and it contains metacercaria. So that is why we collected fish to obtain the metacercaria stage. Let me show you about the metacercaria itself in the real figure. Here are the metacercaria of OV that we obtained from the fish digestion process. Enjoy the figure. Okay, I think that's all for today. If you find my video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information about population genetics study, especially for OV.